Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your mouse cursor on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the search magnify icon down your system taskbar, and you want to search for control panel. Best result should come back with control panel. Go ahead and open that up. Select the mouse item. And now you want to go ahead and select the Pointers tab. Select where it says Browse. And now at this point you can select from a variety of different mouse pointers. So you just go ahead and select whichever one you want. And you would select Apply. And that's pretty much it. And if you wanted to go back to the old one, you could just select Use Default and select Apply. And then you're back to normal. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.